All right. Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone has had a wonderful evening. We're going to have a great trading day today. Why? Because we do that every single day. Yes, sir. Let's get into that. Already had a great morning this morning. NASDAQ's been all over the place. And I'm trading 6 accounts today. Apex Trader Funding, Bull Knox Trading, Take Profit Trader, Blue Sky Trading, Earn to Trade, and Top Step Trader. We're going to go through and cycle through every one of those and trade them all individually, one by one, and hang out the profit. And right now I'm in my Apex account, and we'll head on over to the main screen and we'll check out the trading. All right, you can see on my charts here, the little lines. I've traded every bar. 2 minute. Nice big drop right down there on this big red bar. Traded the top of that, shorted, covered on the whole bottom of that bar. Did really, really, really good. And yeah, so I'll do a giveaway today of a $50,000 Tradeify account at the end of the show. So remind me, to a lucky commenter and person that has liked the video. So make sure you chatter and be active, and we'll see if you can get a win under your belt. Yes, sir. So add on I want to get, my purpose is to get the trade in the green, and then once it's in the green, which is my P&L column right here, that is what I call the green. I trade it in the green, so I'll put this up like here, another one here, scroll up, another one there, another one there, and I'll show you what it looks like on the chart. If you guys trade off charts, I'll show you what that looks like off a chart, how I place the orders. Look, so you can see how I place those orders. If you were doing it on a chart, they would have looked like that. I got 3 of them. I'm going to scroll up a little bit and place 1, 2, 3 right there. A couple right there. See that? You guys really would never trade like that. Then when you cover, you go 1, 2, 3 like that and add it to the winner. So now I have 6 micros going down from $30 to $60 on the first rung right there. After that, I'll have 3 left. I should cancel these above there. There you go. So let them take that. That's 30 to 60 bucks for the first little rung right here. So I'm going to separate these down to these lines. These are called moving averages and indicators within the Super Dom. These lines, see them? You put them right at the lines, they go to the lines. Watch, see, they just did the first one, and see how I just did that? Because they go to those lines. Those are the moving averages where most of the volume is, and I'll show you what they're called. If you come in here to indicators, these are the indicators that I use within the Super Dom. I'm teaching all this in the new class. So I use the Wise Man Alligator on the 1 minute. I love the Wise Man Alligator. It tells you where he's chomping and stuff. Love the trend lines on the 1 minute, the regression channel on the 1 minute, all my settings, the prior high low day, the price line, the pivots on the 1 minute. So I already have all my pivot points already in there and everything like that. So they're all right there. If you scroll down, the next one is right here, this green line. This is the wise man alligator on the 1 minute. This one is the moving average ribbon on the 1 minute. You scroll down here, this one is the prior, let me see, click on it, it's moving fast. So you got the moving average ribbon. This one is the wise man alligator. And this one is the Keltner channel on the 1 minute, the lower band of the Keltner channel at 21,336. This next pivot I have all the way down here would be 21,300. I already know that. It's going to go test that down there. That's easy. Here's 300 all the way down here. And there's a big number down here too. So that's how you do it. See, I'm up 65 bucks. I take another one off right here. I got 2 left. You could see on my chart right there where I printed that up in the upper wick on my short. I got 2 runners. It's coming into these little indicators. So I don't need to look at any chart. I don't need to look at nothing. I follow the moves on this SQQQ, which has a nice little tight range. I'd say 30 bucks. I've seen it at once or twice this morning already. And down here in the 60 to 70 range once or twice this morning. So I love it. I love it. So no, I don't have to give away an account if nobody chats in the chat for the live stream. I don't have to give away a Tradeify account. So like that. We may have a lucky fella. I didn't post it on the Hey, good morning, Basma. That's weird. Got a nice 2 runner. I'm gonna take one off if it goes on to 75. 79. I'm gonna have $100 micro runner live on the MOJO show. Yes, sir. I'm gonna cut one right here. So I got a $30 runner. Let's see how much we can get this baby going. Dave Emrose is really active on my live stream, which is good. That means you have an amazing, you're gonna get an account today probably. It's a random selector that selects according to your action on the stream. I was looking for it on my Twitter. I couldn't find, no, I announced it on my Twitter, but I just couldn't find it. I want this thing to drop a little bit. I got 1 micro runner up 38 bucks. Oh, and by the way, Newman, this is the stochastic indicator. Let me show you. I did a couple good ones yesterday in the MOJO room. So I'm sharing my screen right here, but let me show you. This is the nice pulse that they have on my Tradeify account on Tradeify. I like it. Everyone was going short the NASDAQ when I was making my move. See, into this rail grind right there. Everyone was starting to go short. I was already short. It was a cool little indicator. See, as this rises, SQQ, the NASDAQ futures go lower. See that? I'm already short way up here at the top because I'm long SQQ down here at the bottom. Look, Rory McIlroy liked my post on Facebook. Look, right here, liked Rory McIlroy, and I clicked on it and I'm like, no way. And it's like, yup, it's the real Rory McIlroy, and he liked my picture where I growl and I tame the bear trap. Can you believe that? Rory McIlroy, dude, fucking like my post. That's better than hitting a hole in one, boss. That's better than hitting a hole in one. He's a private account, an athlete. I hit a little white ball around the field sometimes. Isn't that amazing? Last night, I was the GOAT. Yes, I was. Look, when the NASDAQ futures opened last night from 29.98 to 30.40 on my Heinz move, I told you, Ed, look, 98, right? It ripped to 30.40. I made $6 grand and 6,500 on a 50K eval. It fucking just ripped. It's unbelievable. So here's a rail grind. Look, see, as you ever take a chairlift and you ski on the mountain? It takes you up. And then once you get above this line, that's where you get off and you start skiing. As long as you stay above this, it's like on a snowboard, you're riding on the rail. It's 80% above on the stochastic indicator. As long as it stays above that, you stay in the trade. Look how long the trade went by staying in it. Yeah, it made a cut through over that, but that's 30 bucks. So I knew it was going to break over this first bar. That's Heinz 30. Then it touched 11, went right to 20, 19, and then it flew higher in rail grind. So I stayed in it. See, look at the rail grind, bro. Newman, see, and that spooked him. He didn't, this is not a bear flag, what nine out of 10 other traders are teaching, man. This is the golden goose, man. This is the Stu Unger and the Doyle Brunson of the World Series of Poker, boss. I'm telling you, look at my shorts, man. NASDAQ's going. Tesla, I'm short. SPY, NVIDIA, Dell, Apple, long SQQ, long UVXY. We're going on to 21,000 on the NASDAQ. Yep. Look, here's another rail grind. See? Up above. Look at that. Look, you stopped on the chairlift right there in the little bit of the middle and shit. See? You stopped right there and then you continued up. There's a couple more. Look, Heinz 30 right here. Touched 11, went right to 19 again. Same move over and over, guys. Look, 11 to 19. Did it all yesterday. It's every single day. Every day. Here's my evals and my PAs. We'll catch another rail. I think there was another rail grind that was huge. Let me just search. Watch. I go rail grind. And you can do the same thing when you come in the Discord. Look, rail grind. Very nice. Look at those rail grinds, Mojos. That's that one. Look at this one on 221. This one. Look at this rail grind. Stayed in that thing the whole time at 91% above. Look at those beautiful ones. Here's Rail Grind City. Look, another beautiful one. See how it rose up and stayed above? Look at the move above $30 to 30, 11 to 19, right through 50 into 60. Look at the red bars going lower. It's the golden ching, I'm telling you. Full sequence rail grind right here's another one. It went through 28 to 28.11 to 19, blasted up to 44 full sequence. You got a chairlift into the rail grind at 98% in the stochastics. It's the best thing ever. Biggest rail grind mini Heinz right here is another one. Here's another one. See, rail grind up through $9 to $9.08. This is when SQQ was $9. That's how it works, boys. Great shit, right? All right, it came down. Let's go. 9:34. Market's open. We're trading. I'm in. Up 100. Adding. It's going to 80. Adding. Up 300. This is $500 right here. That's $500. 353 to 500 right there. See that? That's what I'm leaving it. And it goes through 75 on SQQ. It'll rip that whole line. Watch. Here's 74, 75. Watch. $74, $75. See, it's right on the line. Told you. See? Boom, boom. Taking them right there. See? Look. Took the whole thing. I got 15 left. 77. Told you. See? Look. Cancel. Let me add a couple more into that. Back to 72. 70. Adding. 66. Taking some off here. Taking some off. $68. Let me see what the chart looks like here. 2 minute. Pulling it down. All right, let's make a run. Adding. Back to 70. $65, $66. That was up 178. Taking some off again. I got to trade where it is, not where I think it's going to go. I got to take a couple off. 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's only $200. I still got 30. It'll go green. There it's coming green. Here it comes. Told you. Look, $300, $500 I'm up. Told you. Patience, man. $500. I'm up 600. Got 20 left, up 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 14 left, up 600. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 10 left, up 400. Told you, man. You got to respect the NASDAQ when it drops. Be patient. If I would have went full blast minis, I would have blown my account. Micros are the best. 79.80, I'm up 10 micros, up 500, taking 5 off. I got 5 micros left, up 300. If it goes under 70, I'll add back. I don't look at what I'm making until I'm done. When I'm playing golf or basketball, I'm not driving down the court and looking at the scoreboard. I'm playing. At the end of the break, I'll look at the scoreboard, look at what I made. Got 5 micro runners left. This thing goes to $30. I'm going to make $1,000 easy on these runners. 86 is the high. 60 is the low. 78, 70, taking 3 off. 1, 2, 3. I got 2 left, up $200. Let's see the runner now. I got 1 runner up $50. Let's see how long the runner can go. $60, $70, $80, 85, live on the MOJO show, the runner. 85, 90, $100 runner on the MOJO show. Yes, sir. Told you. $100 runner, and it's headed up into rail grind. Look at that chair lift. 87 in the rail grind, boys. $120 runner. 130 runner on the MOJO show. Who does that shit? Nobody. Challenge. You show me live streaming bigger, one runner than that. Go ahead. There's the challenge. Nobody doing that shit. Let's go. Let's go. Told you. Told you. What's up, Precious? $30 high, $150 runner, boys. Who's the best? Yes, sir. Who's the best? Yes, sir. Give me a like on that one, boys. Come on. Yes, sir. And I added another one to go through Hines. Look at that. 30.02, taking it off. 30.04, flat. Yes, sir. Woo! That was some fucking run. $30.07, $30.08. That was a beauty. 30.10.
That's phenomenal, Mike.
Thanks, man. 30.10, 30.11, 30.12. Man, I should have held the fucking runner. I let the runner go. I let the runner go, boys, but it's okay. 30.13, it's going to 19. Look at that. Holy shizzle, damn rizzle. And I said the wow. Look at that, boys. Told ya. Live on the MOJO show. I'm doing a webinar. Shows you everything, how I do it all. There's the 30. Told ya. Come to my webinar. Links below in the description. What happened to this freaking 30.14? Amazing, MOJO. 30.19. Told you. Touch 11 right there, boys. Told you. Told you. Touch the 11 right to the 19. It's going to go 26 to 30 now. Accelerator, nickel. Told you. There's 26 to 30. Told you. Look at that. Now it's going to go back the other way. Now it's going to go to 20 and then bounce off 20. Told you. Told you. You should bounce, go lower a little bit. Big move. Told you guys. We should go lower a little bit, like drastically, and then head back up. Told you. Amazing move, right, guys? Nobody does it like the Moj. 98 rail grind, 100 rail grind. Look at that. It's going to 21,200. Told you. Look at that. I wish I would have kept that runner, man. I wish I would have kept the runner because it was so big. It would have been the biggest runner in the history of the MOJO. Sucks. It would have been the biggest runner in the history of MOJO. You know that? Dang, rabbit. That short was incredible. Let's see how much it went down. Oh, I got one. How do I have one? Gosh. It went down from 21,380 to 21,200. 200 point drop. 200 points on that. That's 50. Look at that fucking squeeze. Mamacita. Look at him squeeze it, dude. Jeez. 21,100 it's going to. Man, I wish I held that runner. Well, Look at that action, will you, boys? Wow. I said wow at 20. Amazing, right? Should go lower a little bit before higher. Under 40. Told you. Told you. Go a little bit lower first before it went higher. Do I know how it works, guys? Do I know how it works or what? Yes, sir. Nice, Mike. All right. Not too shabby. Nice. Told you I'm going to drop a little bit. See if it drops under 30. In the 20s. 26. Told you. Now it's going to go back up. Back above 30. Or drop to 18. One of the two. I'll wait till 18. Or let it go back above 30. It's 30. I told you. Jeez Louise, am I good, right? Jeez Louise, am I good? I think it's going to go maybe to 18. Bounce off 30, 18, and then touch 07 and come back up. So let the green bars transform. Just be patient, boys. And guys on YouTube that live stream and trade and talk to the audience the whole time aren't really trading. Because how can you do that, dude? I'm sorry that I ignore you on YouTube and live stream, but I'm trading. I don't know how others can do that. They must be really talented like Patsy and shit, you know? I don't know how he does it. How he can chat with the chat, be in the trade, do posts. It's fucked up. I can't do that shit. To speak to Dave about you guys on live, I'm gonna fuck up a trade or fuck that, dude. I don't make, well, he makes tons of money from YouTube, so if he fucks it up, he makes 3 times the amount from YouTube and the shit, so yeah, I guess he can do that. I ain't doing that shit. I think it's gonna go red to green and make up this 6 cents. I'm going long. I mean short. It's gonna go higher. It's gonna go make up the 3 and go into the 40s and 50s now. Told you. Told you. Look, we're gonna go to 30, 50 and set a new high. Come on. I'm not gonna fucking go big or do nothing until it gets to 48. I ain't doing nothing till it gets to 48. Told you. Added. Told you. Told you. Right through 50. New high. Told you. I'm the best. Nobody's better than the MOJ. Nobody. Nobody's better than the MOJ. 54. Told you. This could be a big runner. I got 1 runner left. Let's go. I got 1 runner left. Gotta love it. Yes, sir, Mike. Told you. I'm giving it respect. I expect it to go to 27 stopping station from here. I'll pick it back up and drive it right back here to 50. See, Ed, how I'm in tune with the market. So beautiful, like you with the FQQQ. How you can make the moves on the NASDAQ futures and make 5 times as much. It's unbelievable, right? I told you, man. I told you, boss. This is 9:49 a.m. Dedicated to you, Ed. I'm giving away a computer next month. The sickest trading station computer that you've seen, boss. Giveaway on my Twitter, man. So watch out for that post. Come join the MOJO. Look at that thing squeezing. Come join the MOJO. Added. It's going higher. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm giving away a computer, a beautiful trading computer, to one lucky, beautiful person. We're going to 60, boys. We're going to 30-60. There it goes, 30-60. This is how she climbs, man. This is how she climbs. Dow's dropped from 200 to 160. New high, 30.56. 30.57. Getting squeezed, 60. Stop is 30.50. 30.50, we stop out. We redo the trade. Otherwise, we keep the runners going, boys. 30.58. 30.50, 30.60. Told you, cutting one, holding one. Boom. Got one runner left, up $70. One micro right there, up 50 bean bones. I'm putting in a stop right here at $50. Out. Done. Oh, didn't take it. Close. Okay. See that, boys? Beautiful, right? Man, am I good. Let's switch to the 5-minute rail grind. Look at this rail grind. It's coming up beautiful right here on the rail schmal with the camp trail. Yes, sir. That's what we do in the MOJO Shikanojo. Look at this rail grind. Ching, ching, chairlift. I'm chairlifting up right here, straight to the freaking moon. There's a lot of people on that. And here I go at 94% into the butterfly chairlift. Yes, sir. 53, 55, 56, high 63, coming under 50. Told you, who the fuck do you need to look at lines and VMAs, whatever they call it, EMA and freaking, what else do they call that shit, and flagging, reverse, bear, bull, bullshit, bear, bull, and go ahead and do that bull. By the time you're bulling, I'm freaking done. I took your fucking bull. Good job if you were able to do it. Nice job. I don't do it. James Purdue, what's up? New high 65, James Purdue. Let's wait for the dip. See how they squeeze in the ass? It's crazy, isn't it? How they like the whole side squeezes and shit. I haven't seen that in a long time, dude. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? It's going to 70, but we got to wait for the dip. Don't be chasing, Mojos. Don't be chasing, Mojos.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't be chasing, Mojos. 70, 75. Holy shit. Imagine if I had that runner from 29.60. It'd be a $800 micro runner. I wonder, can we calculate that? Damn, I wish we could. Maybe I'll do it later. Oz, look at that shit. Can you believe it? Mojo room is fucking dead. You guys ain't in a trade, so if you can't talk, you might as well fucking skadoodle, man. That was sick. 21,100. There it is. Told you. Just went under 21,100 on the NASDAQ. Look at that. 21,100 on the NASDAQ, going to 31. Imagine if I still had that runner. I'm going to say that all day long. Holy shit. I'm not chasing it. Look at him squeezing the ass at 92. It's going through 31. Biggest buy program ever right there we've just witnessed, boys. Everyone on YouTube's getting crushed because they don't short. So everyone out there that blew your accounts today, you come trade with the MOJO, and those days are over for you, boys. Right here. Don't blow your accounts. Everybody blew their accounts, man. They're like, oh, look at the NASDAQ. It goes up at night. I watch it every morning. Look, destroyed. Destroyed. 31 Hines. Look at that. Holy shit. It's going to go the other way now. It's going to dip. Told you. I went long. I just knew it was going to reverse. See me how I went long there, guys? See? Right off the bottom. See the arrows right there? See? Right there on the bottom. Nailed that shit. Knew it was going to turn. 3104. It's had its run. It's done. It's going to drop. Told you. 3105 is the high. Goes through that, it's done. And they squeezed it. See if she drops a little bit. It's had an amazing run. Told you it was going to drop a little bit. Went long on the bottom right there. I know when it's exhausted. Told you. Look, I went right long off the bottom. 3 micros. Told you. I go both ways, boys, when I'm good. 8. It's exhausted. It's going to 21,000. Should bounce. All right, so I'm done with this trade. Told you, went to 21,000. $21,000 it went to. Told you. I'm not playing around with it. Went to 21,000 is 31.25. It's exhausted. Told you. It went to under 21,000. Told you it was exhausted. Maybe it goes under 31 here. High's 26. Just wait. A couple of accounts I'm up huge. One account I had to grind back, but I grinded it back from a loss on 2 stop outs to a positive. So I feel really good about that. Yes, sir. Nice. Ooh, new high. Look at that squeeze, huh? That was a sick squeeze. Look what's going on. The Dow's at only 100, dropping like a fucking ballistical fucking missile. 3150. Told you, 3150. All right, I'm out. I went long. I think it's over. Under 50. There we go. Under 50. Told you. $300 long. What a great run, guys. What a great run. That's a good long. $500 long on 7 micros. Told you. Shit was exhausted, man. Look at how I printed the low. Look at my low, dude. I got 4 micros up 300. 3 micros up 300. Told you it was exhausted. Look, 2 micros up 200. 1 micro up 100. $100 runner on the long side. Look, 103. Told you. No one's as good as I am, dude. I challenge anybody on the internet that live streams to trade against me in 30 minutes. Let's see who makes more money. You can't. And you could trade the minis. I'll trade the micros. No more than 50 of them. No more than 5 minis. Let's see who wins. I have an $80 runner right there. $100 runner right there. Closed. $105 runner. Closed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Mojos. That's how it works. Yes, sir, Mojos. That's how it works. Let's go, Precious. Told you. See, Precious? Precious had a good runner, but that was with minis and micros. So give me a like and a subscribe, guys, for watching if you liked what I'm doing. Mm-hmm. 35. Should have stayed long on that one. Had a big runner. Would have been a bigger one. But it was a PA, so I don't fuck around. Nice job, guys. Let's see what we got. Let's see what my balances are. I didn't make much. All right. Here's 2 PAs. You want to see some PAs? I'll show you some PAs. So this is what it looks like. So you got this one's at $253,131, up 256. This one's at $260,572, up 228. This one's in payout at $263,872. This one's in payout at $263,209, and this is an eval that I haven't traded today at $253,721. See that? Show you how to do that for sure. Come to my webinar March 4th at 12 p.m. on Tuesday and get the logistics and the statistics and fill the logistics on everything you need to know to trade like a champion. Look at that shit. That thing from 69 to 29. I should have stayed longer. I was on the bottom. Boys. That thing's going to bouncing right here off 27. I told you. 27 stopping. Go back up now. Watch. 18, 22 to 27, 18, bounce, boom. I'll pass on this trade though. I got too lucky so far today. Let's see here. So these are done. Let me take a screenshot and close this. So those are my PAs, my Apex Arena. Let me close that down. I'll open up my next one. Let me disconnect from that and let me open up this one. Oh, I told you it was going to go back 30. Open up my blue sky. So my blue sky eval I traded right here is 50,512. Just started with blue sky. So yesterday I made 250. Today I made 250. Every day I make 250. I shut that shit down. And that's my goal. 250 on these 50s. I shut it down. Let me show you the other ones. And this is blue sky. See, blue eval for you non-believers. So let's go to the next one. Disconnect. And let's connect to earn to trade. Here's another firm. So this is earn to trade. And this is my account with them. I've been with them a while. It's 52,707. I've made $171 today. I'm done with that account. That's that one. That's my earn to trade. Told you it was going back over 30. Told you I know where it goes. It's going to go back down under 30 now. Disconnect. Here is my what's this one? I think this is my take profit trader. I'm at 53,012 on my take profit trader. That one I'm not even trading today. That's in payout mode. Connections, disconnect. Connections, Lilo. Went back to 42. Look at that. This is my Lilo today, what I did on Lilo. Lilo I did nice. Lilo I made big. I did this one this is a eval 6,681. Another eval 6,984. This is a PA at 479 at 52, and here's another PA at 51,146. Making my 200s and my 300s. I think actually I have one account I can trade in here that I haven't traded today, and it is right here, and I will trade that now. I have not made money in this one today, and this one I will do. So this one is right here. Let's line her up and let's start making some money. Okay. I'm not going to go more than 10 micros. Mostly 5, and let's see how much I make. Starting from scratch, the P&L is 0. You can see it right there. You ready? Let's go. Down one, I'm gonna go for the mini right here, bink, one in. I'm either adding at 35 or 48. because it went to 27. See? It's all right. If it would have went through, I only had one. See, right back to 27. I'll clip it twice here at 32. Add again. Come out of 3. 1, 2, 3 right there. And then add 3 more that I put right there, so I have 8. I have 2 more than I wanted, but it's okay. Ooh, look at that, drop to 27 again. I'm coming out of 3. 1, 2, 3. Coming out of 2. 1, 2. In a loss, because it's going lower. See, most of you people would have added and you'll get destroyed. Adding, I'll try one more time here. 1, 2. Nope. Coming out of them. Got 2. It's at 21,000. See it? 21,000. It went lower to 18. I'm so being careful. I'm so happy I'm being careful. Taking 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm back to 8. Let's see if I can make that loss back. See, when I trade, it freaks me. I'm calling it. That was easier. I'm coming out of 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I have 7 left. There we go. I'm in the green. 6. 5. Up 150. Now I could play it in the green. 4, 3. 3 left. 2 left. By the time this trade's over, I'm going to make 500 bucks. 2 left. 1 left. $50 runner on 1. Let's drop back down. In the old days, it would have gone under 31 on that drop a month or 2 ago, but the new days, it goes back up. The old days versus the new days. That's going to be in my course too. Old days versus the new days. You know, 190 out of 200 nights in a row, it's gone higher. And then during the day, it goes lower. It's amazing. Look at that, 3106. May go into 31. See, told you. Just wait a second. I'm going to clip it 5 times. Man, what a long at 3170. It's dropped straight from 3170 to 3070. Amazing, right? Fuck, I should have stayed long on that sucker, huh? I'm going to come out of some if it doesn't go over 31. Here it goes. All right, I'm up 100. 200, 250, had 5, came out of 7 of them, adding back. I only have 5 micros, down 50 bucks, adding 2, up 80, take those 2, up 80, up 160, up 180. I got 3 left. Did really good on that trade. Over 31. Got 3 left up 130. 2 left up 70. 1 left up 20. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Told you I'm gonna make $500 by the time I'm done with this sucker. Let's dip again, please. Here's the link to my webinar. It's in the description below, but if you guys want to check it out, it's futures trading right here. Here's all the information. All right, let's see if we dip a little bit here and go back through 31, maybe 30.77. Added 1. Added another one. That was up 248. It went from like even. Look, the Dow went from 40 wherever to fucking all the way back up there, dude. Look at that. Fast as shit. You gotta have respect for the NASDAQ and these moves, dude. They're huge. There's 90 bucks adding into that. I got 7 micros. See, it went really down far. It's really volatile, man. I got 8 micros. If you ain't trading the micros, you're freaking losing everything, dude. Taking one off, taking another one off, $20 loss. You got to trade where it is. There's green. Taking one off, got 4 left, up 30 bucks. Taking another one off, up 50 bucks. Taking another one off right there. Didn't hit it. Adding to go into that one to replace it. Up 50, 60. All I'm looking at is this P&L column. That's it. You can make it bigger for you too. Need it a little bit bigger. Let's go 16. There we go. Now it's bigger. There's my P&L column. 50 bucks loss. Got 4 micros. 5 micros in the green. $60 right there. Scroll down to 60 bucks is right there. 21,704. And they just took that one. 2 left. 1 left, up 20. Oh, it's nice that you could see bigger with the green, right? Amazing, right? There's a $31 Heinz coming. There it is, Heinz 31, yes sir. Big drop again. Added. The drops, Dow's up 300. It just went from 31 to fucking drop 20 cents. I got 2 micros. I'm expecting it to go into the 70s. I'm giving it respect. Look at the 5-minute chart. I'm going to switch to the 1 minute here. See? Straight ass down. Just give it respect, man. Here it comes again. I'm telling you, $50 a clip. I haven't looked at what I'm up, but I'm telling you, I'm going to be up over $500 by the time I'm done trading this PA. It's going lower, I think. We'll see. Take one off. 31.60 is the high, 29.60 is the low. So it's a point from the high almost, 70 cents, and $1.30 from the low. 96. Let's wait for a little dip. Yeah, so it went to 96. They're stopping people out. 84. Go right back to 96. Take that one right off. There it is, 91. Take it right off. Told you, took it right off. Right off. Told you. 92. There's no other way to trade. Otherwise, you're going to get spanked. This chart right here, you see this? There's no way to predict or do anything with lines of what this will do, of what happened here this morning. It's impossible, dude. You have a good educated hypothesis, and this is when your shit does this or that, like a whatever. But I mean, yeah, a good short on this top right here into this second bar on the bottom would have been a nice short, and you would be, that's a good system right there to take the second bar, or the breakout through the top of this right here, which is 30.07. If you're a chartiste, Dow's up 310. Look at this run the Dow has made, dude. Straight up without one red bar in all that whole time. Isn't that unbelievable? I'm adding. It's gonna go through 31 again. Here we go. Adding. Told you, here we go, 95. Told you, 98 taking one off, 99 taking one off, and through 31 taking one off. Otherwise, I'll buy those back at 90 again. Told you, bought them back at 90. So good. So good. Let's go make another push up towards freaking 30 chinga. Went 77 stopper again. Look at that, 70 up, 359 on the Dowski. Need a big move back up. Imagine if I was still long that one from the top at 31.70. I went long, dude. I went long, boss. I went long, my man. When's it going to stop and go the other way, and I can get aggressive? I'm just waiting. Gonna bounce maybe off 51. Come on, baby, start paying me here. I need a big one. I'm in 25. Come on. Yes, sir. I'm going for the flush. Come on, baby. That's $200. Yes, sir. I told you I was going 10 left. $200. I told you. Just had to go for it. Yes, sir. 2 left. I made 350. That's all right. Told you it was gonna bounce right there. Calitas. $70, baby. Taking another one off. $70 runner. Let's go. $115 runner. I'm leaving this one. $110 runner. That was up 411. Fucking unreal, right? Gonna add. Got 3. Had $100 runner. I gotta take my dogs out and feed them. It's about that time. They're getting crazy. The market's gonna get crazy here. $100 runner. 120. 140. 180. Yes, sir, Mojo. Let's go. Record. My record's 350. I'd love to get it live. This shit goes to 30.90. I'll be a record. It goes back to 31, it'll be a record. Nice. Got 120 people watching me on my Twitter, which is nice. Guys, I'm giving away a day trading computer, man. I'm gonna do a giveaway. I got a good deal on some computers, so I'm gonna hook up the hookups. And I added. And I gotta take a break for a minute. Gotta feed my dogs and shit. I'll be back in 5-10 minutes. Watch my screen while I'm be gone. Bing, bing, bada bing. Making money. Boom, $488.50. I told you I was gonna make that. Right? Done. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. You watch my screen, I'll be back. My My shorts are doing good. My SPY. Dell's up 2 grand, 7 grand on the Nvidia, 8 grand on the SPY, up 4 grand on SQQ, 2 grand on QQQ, 35 grand on Tesla short, and 3 grand on UVXY long. That's how it's done, boys. Subscribe to my newsletter. You'll be in all that shit too. MRose passed the 250 eval and made 18K this morning, shorting MNQ. Dave Oz on my show here this morning. Great job, Oz. Great job, dude. Beautiful. I'm gonna go feed my doggies. I'll be back. Alrighty, guys, Pro Trader Mike, I am back, and we are cranking. I'm up on these accounts, 6 grand, 6 grand. This one's at 52.4, 51.9, 51.3. Kicking ass. This one's got to get to another 500 bucks, and I pass this eval right here. Yeah, I'm at 576, and I'll do the giveaway also for the eval account. 600 away. There we go. Beautiful move. One runner up 30 bucks. 52,650. I'll be passing this one any moment. Here we go, $60 runner, 600, and the ad's gonna go into 31. That was up 400. Now my fucking show the fucking shit. It fucking does that every fucking time. All right, 900. 100 left. 20. 50. 52,980. I'm gonna pass in 1 second. One lot left. 2 lots left. 1 lot left. 52,950. $960. 965. 975. 980. 990. Almost 53. Here's 53,000 now. And closed. 53,000,0132. Just passed that eval live on the MOJO show. Started it 25 minutes ago, right before the fucking doggies. You have a good food? I did. Yes, sir. Nice. Good job, dogs. Nice. How about I get another eval and I pass another eval live on the show? How about that? See, some people go direct to live and stuff. I don't. It's easy for me to pass the eval. Save a lot of money by doing that. Go right to the PA. Nice Hines on the 31, guys. 31.10, huge move. Give away a free Tradeify account to somebody. You guys can go ahead and get that free too, and go ahead and trade it live with me and pass it with me. How about that? Huh? Right here, live streaming. That was the last one. John Vick won that one. So let's go YouTube giveaway. There it is, controlled chaos. 7 lucky people. One guy's gonna get it. 7 lucky people. One guy's gonna get it. Who else is gonna load some comments and get that shit going on? Brad, Marcus. 1 winner, 1 substitute. And the prizes is a Tradeify 50K eval. Okay. Confirm. Start. 10, 9, 8, 7. Who's the lucky winner today? Send me a message to my MOJO Day Trading at Gmail. Mr. Dave Emrose. Lucky man. Great job. 50K eval. Go get it. Certificate of validity. Done. Boom. Copy. Dave, big winner. Post that on my thing right there for later. Good job, Dave. Nicely done. Good job. Dave, MROZ. Nicely done. Let's do this. There's your certificate, boss. James Purdue, you were the alternate, boss. Good job. Nice job. Ooh, the thing made a big move. All right, let's pat. Look at that rail grind. OMG. Newman, that's just for you, boss. You got it. Look at that. Look at this rail grind starting here. You get in the freaking house right there on the line, chairlift line. You get on the chairlift. Now you're freaking skiing again. Look at that. Another unbelievable rail grind. $11 to $19 again. 11 to 19 again. Let me see if I can get you hooked up and you could trade that eval with me and pass it right now. Dave. There you go. All righty. Let me connect now. We'll do a little trading. Lucky Dave got a nice Tradeify account for being active and watching my show. And great job. Go get it. Let's trade it. Let's pass it together. Me and you live on the show. Yes, sir. We'll start. I'll show you my MNQ NQ combination, which is going to be taught in the class.
Sounds good. Good.
I'll pass in 5 seconds. I'll try.
Starting stopwatch.
Nah. Let's go.
You're the best. I don't know how to motivate and watch you every day.
Absolutely, boss. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an NQ MNQ combination. You're allowed 8 minis. So I'm going to do 8 minis and 72 micros, which is equivalent to the 8. And I'm going to bang the shit out of it. Watch. So I set the quantity for 72 micros, and I set the quantity for 8 minis and 72 micros. Okay. Watch. It's a timing thing. I'm getting ready. All right. Let's see what we do here. Ready? I'm just getting set up right here. It's loading right now, my new eval. I'm waiting for it to load. Just getting so when it does, I'm all set up. Here it goes, under 30. All right, I'm in. I got loaded. What's it going to do? All right, I'm up 1,370 so far. Done. Beautiful. I'm up 51,360. 51.5. Beautiful. Reduce my quantity to 1. 51.5. All right, I'm cruising. I'm at 52,089. It's fucking me up here. Close. There we go. All right, here we go. $12 micros, 13 micros. $52,000. We're gonna hit it $100 at a time, 10 times to get to 53.
Are you going to cover that particular trade setup in your webinar, Mike?
Yep.
Awesome.
Every time I show the fucking thing, it doesn't work. It's the biggest jinx. Biggest jinx. Who fucking drinks? The last couple of hundred is always the hardest, man. They ain't gonna do nothing. Let's get a nice little 5-10 cent move. Would be nice. I went down, back up, back down. All about the pass. Thanks, boss. Appreciate that, Brad. Maybe I should keep the chart on this side so you guys can see the chart more. maybe a good idea. Rearrange my screen. Put this on the other side here. May not be a bad idea. That's a good idea. Move this over. Move the chart over. See that? What do you think about that? That looks a little bit better, right? Yeah, look at that. I did a real good job with that. Now you can see right above my head the chart action and all that great shit. Great. How about the super dome? Let's see. I put that right here. Perfect. Let me blow up the properties of my super dome. Big again. I'm gonna make that column a different green. I don't think that did it, no. Oh, look, I'm up fucking $300. Look, so I have 3, look, micros, and I have 1 mini. My mini's up 250. My micros are up 3 of them 100. See, that's the combination right there. All right, guys, I'm tired. I'm ending the show today. Thank you so much. Good job for the winners, and keep it profitable overall across the board. I'd say I had a decent day. 6,000, 6,000, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 4, 3. Good job. And there's one more underneath that. 117. Nice. All right, Mojos, thank you so much, and have a good day, and I'll catch you on the next show. Give me a like and a subscribe, and keep it good, and remember, everything's for educational purposes. Remember to subscribe to my webinar March 4th at 12 p.m. Definitely jump on that. I'll throw out the thing one more time for that. Right here. Go ahead, take out your phone, put it on that QR code, and jump on that shit. See you later, alligator. Thank you so much. Peace. Later.